Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Air Fryer Paper Liners 125 PCS Parchment Paper. Healthy materials. Air Fryer Parchment Liners for Ninja Air Fryer made of raw wood and silicone coating, unbleached. No fluorescent agent, BPA-free, PFAS-free, waterproof, oil-proof, non-stick, heat-proof, can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Convenient to use. No need to cut or measure. Simply place the paper liner on the tray or basket and put enough food on the paper to cook. The food stains, grease, oil left on the liner. Parchment paper liners for Ninja AF100 AF101 have no effect on the taste of food. No complex cleaning. They own air fryer disposable baking paper, has food-grade silicone oil coating and round bowl-shaped design. Can protect the air fryer inner surface from food mess and sticking. A must-have air fryer accessory to keep your Ninja air fryer clean. Number 2. Air Fryer Disposable Paper Liner Square 9-inch. Air Fryer Parchment Paper Liners for Ninja Air Fryer. Made out of unbleached natural wood pulp, 1.5 times thicker than ordinary parchment to be durable and sturdy, and won't tear when lifting even after cooking. Large size, 125 PCS. Parchment paper liners for Ninja AF100 AF101 are designed with a square bowl shape. Upper size 9 inches. Bottom size 8 inches, perfect for 6 to 10 quart Ninja air fryer. No oil leak design keeps machine clean. These disposable air fryer parchment paper liners for Ninja AF161 makes cleanup a breeze. Just lift it out and throw it away. Pre-cut deep lining makes cleaning and use easier. Number 3. Air Fryer Liners Disposable for Ninja Air Fryer. 8.75.5 rectangular air fryer liners fit Ninja 2 basket DZ201. DZ401, DZ550 Foodie, perfectly compatible with 8QT and above size air fryer with dual zone rectangular basket as well even, suitable for oven microwave flying pan please messer capacity. Big enough to contain the liner. The bowl-shaped air fryer parchment paper liners disposable effectively prevent residues and grease bleeding to air fryer basket protect the side and bottom clean, when only need to throw away the paper liner after cooking. A slow makes it easier to take the food out of basket cause the heightened edge. Number 4. Air Fryer Liners, disposable for Ninja Dual Air Fryer accessories. Each pack comes with 125 paper pads in bowl shape 8.65.5 inch at the base. Suitable for Ninja 2 basket DZ201, DZ401 Foodie, IG601, IG651, FG511, Powerxel Vortex Instant Vortex Plus XL8QT Dual Basket. Altiker, Duo-D, Chefman Turbofry Touch, Crownful Bella Pro Series, Westinghouse Dual Basket Air Fryer. With air fryer accessories cook times. Made of food-grade parchment paper, waterproof, oil-proof, non-stick, food-grade silicone oil 100% healthy and heat-resistant, can withstand high temperatures of 446 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The disposable paper liner in bowl shape can effectively keep the food residue away from the fryer, making the air fryer. Number 5. Large Air Fryer Disposable Paper Liners Square 9-inch. Using food-grade parchment with a plant-based oil treatment, unbleached raw wood. No fluorescent agent, BPA-free, PFAS-free, 1.5 times thicker than ordinary parchment to be durable and sturdy, and won't tear when lifting even after cooking. Square shape, wide 9-inch, bottom wide 8-inch, high 1.8 inches, perfect for 5 to 8 quart air fryer. Please measure your air fryer basket bottom before purchase. No oil leak design keeps machine clean, makes cleanup a breeze. Just lift it out and throw it away. Pre-cut deep lining makes cleaning and use